All right, in continuation with circle, we talk about equation of circle whose center coordinate is at the origin. Whose center coordinate is at the origin. May have something like this. Yes, let's say this is the center. You have this, I have this. Let's say, yeah, of course. Here is our change in y. As you are going to know, let's say the center is 0, 0 because it's at the origin. Coordinate at the origin for x and y is always 0, 0. So why at the circumference you have x, y. So that is it. Then we use the formula of coordinates when we want to calculate for distance at two different point coordinates. So you use the formula to sort out or to calculate. Here is our change in x. Use the formula to calculate for the radius of the circle, radius r of the circle. Because you see, what is most important here is the radius of the circle, because once you identify that the equation is that of a circle whose center coordinate is at the origin, there is no need of calculating further the center coordinate. It must always be 0, 0. Let's derive the expression there. Now from here, you are going to see that from our distance formula in coordinate geometry, from distance, or you can say from Pythagoras theory, we have that, of course, your change in x, that's increment in x square plus change in y square is equal to our radius square. Now, which implies our change in x simply means x2 minus x1 all square plus our change in y is y2 minus y1 all square is equal to r square. Of course, here is my x1, y1, as this is my x2, y2. That is, you are the origin and you move to a point. So this is the final destination. So with this, we are going to have my x1, my x2 is x. So you are going to have x minus 0, which is my x1 all square plus the same thing y minus 0 all square is equal to what? R square. Now we're going to have x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. That is the equation that we're looking for. These are the equation of circle. This is the format. Equation of circle whose center coordinate is at the origin. Example of this type of circle. Example, you can have something like x squared plus y squared is equal to equal to 64. And of course, coordinates at the origin is 0, 0. If you are asked to find the radius, just take square root of this. It gives you 8. So that a square will be, or you do a square equal to r square. You can just go by comparison. Or you can have something like 2x squared plus 2y squared is equal to 32. Of course, before you solve for the radius here, you must always make this equation to look exactly like this by dividing through by 2. If you divide through by 2, like over 2, over 2, and over 2, you are going to reduce it to x squared plus y squared equal to 16. Then you can compare to x squared plus y squared equal to r squared. Since the coordinate at the origin is 0, 0, so what should be your radius? Your radius r is equal to square root of 16, which will give you 4. So the calibration of this circle will be 0, 0, then r is equal to 4, and that settles it. This is all about the circle. An equation of circle whose center coordinate is at the origin. You can have different format of this circle. Just know, how do you identify it so easy? That after the quadratic term comes the constant, the radius, which is a constant. After the quadratic term, your x squared, y squared, there's nothing like maybe minus 3s or plus 3s or minus 7y, something like y, linear y and linear s will not come up. That is how to know equation of circle whose center coordinate is at the origin. That after the quadratic variable x squared plus y squared, you must have your constant. Whether at the other side of the equation, you can have it of this form. Let's say 3x squared plus 3y squared minus 7 equal to 0. If you are asked, first of all, reduce it. It becomes 3x squared divided by 3 plus 3y squared over 3 minus 7 over 3 equal to 0, which will give you x squared plus y squared equal to 7 over 3. Now compare it to x squared plus y squared equal to 7 equal to r squared. This implies that your r is equal to square root of 7 over 3. You will have something like this. Of course, your coordinate is 0, 0 at the origin, comma, radius is equal to root 7 over 3, since it's not a perfect square. That's how you solve this kind of problem. So this is an equation of circle, once again, whose center coordinate is at the origin. And the calibration at the origin is always 0, 0 in the coordinate system. Thank you. We are going to consider subsequently an equation of circle whose center coordinate is not at the origin. Please follow me for more videos of this format. And don't forget to like, share, and refer people to this page to get more of the academic insights. Thank you.